Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Rolly Casillan, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Efren Gaa, International Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Falcons of the Adamson University. Let's start off with jersey number 1, Sheila Marie Pineda. Wearing jersey number 8, guest player Angela Benting. At number 4, guest player Mylene Paat. Wearing jersey number 9, Faye Janelle Guevara. At number 14, their setter, May Jennifer Macatuno. And their team captain with jersey number 2, Maria Paulina Soriano. Libero, number 11, Princess Listana. Head coach, Mr. Sherwin Meneses. Calling on our Lady Stags of the San Sebastian College. At number 2, Trisha May Crisostomo. Wearing jersey number 5, Gretchel Soltones. At number 6, Zarina Barbano. Wearing jersey number 9, Maria Ara Malyare. At number 7, guest player Jen Boli. And at number 3, guest player and team captain Suzanne Roses. Libero, number 8, May Denise Crisostomo. Head coach, Mr. Clint Malazzo. The best of luck to both teams.
Before we go anywhere else from the arena in San Juan, I'd like to show you, of course, we've been telling you about this throughout the coverage, and I just love looking at the pictures as we go through the 10-year history of the Shakey's B-League. Pati kami may picture dito. At,
Huwag mo napakita.
Huwag nga.
Oh.
Alin yung old picture mo, no? yung sa naglalaro ka pa. Makikita niya, no, dito.
Kailangan bumili sila.
Kailangan bumili kayo. Ano ho
Lalo
to?
hindi bibili.
Collector's item. Nakita na naman anak mo tong player.
Vintage.
Ano sabi ng keeper ni 30?
Sabi ni Giver, ganyan pala yung tsura ko pag na yung babae.
Patay. First point of the game being battled for and belongs to San Sebastian. You know, we talked about the defense of Adamson, but with the defense of San Sebastian will remain intact. We've got Sue Roses, and maybe this will be a tighter game. Actually, dead even to dalawang to.
Mukhang even ang kung skill-wise, yung players, on paper, mukhang even. Kahit nandyan pa si Jeng Bowley sa kabila.
In the meantime, that is quickly scored upon. Boy, points. Ang titingnan ko dito yung fatigue factor. Which defense will be able to hold up to the battering, to the pressure as the game progresses? We anticipate as many as 4 sets. I wouldn't be surprised if we go as many as 4. In the meantime, Pineda with a nice shot that handled nicely as well. Boali scores.
Jeng Bowley, eto na naman. Nasa harapan na naman for San Sebastian. So, tighter defense ang kailangan nitong Lady Falcons.
And she seems fitter. San Sebastian has been on a bit of a break. They haven't had too many games. She doesn't look... pagka may iniinda yan, talin-tali yan. Kung ano ng mga kinakamit sa katawan yan.
Ngayon, free.
Yes, Soltones in the meantime not able to get it across the net. Ito yung hinahanap mo one game we did of San Sebastian. You said you were missing Gretchel Soltones. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Here comes the San Sebastian runner. Easily dinked over by Boali. Paad with a setup for Soriano. Playable. Roses with the reverse dig. Boali is with...
That was so well read by Adamson. Pao Soriano. Alam na syempre, kay Jeng na lang, papaluin ni Jeng yung bolang yun in spite of galing pa sa likod yun, galing kay Sue on the second ball.
And the other thing I love watching when the good defensive players are playing like Pao Soriano is that yung tinginan sa net. na-anticipate kung saan pupuntahin isa. Paat! Dami!
Oh, cross-court hit from Pat.
Ito matangkad din ito sa Paat eh. Medyo hesitant lang pumalo ito pero pag ito na-knockdown niya, mas ingay ng Adamson. Aga-aga oh. Para ako nasa Tianggi. Pero ganyan
It's a girl thing, you know.
But it's the way the
Yeah.
game should be played, really. Yung maingay at nag-uusap. Oh, bad set. It's a bad set. Personally, a bad set. At medyo kumros yata ng linya.
Pumasok yung paa.
Masyadong graceful yung tira siguro.
And she was, just getting her, her balance.
Soltones, Trish, Malyari, too strong. Ito si Aram Malyari, hindi rin niya kuminsan mag-judge yung power niya. No, kuminsan sobrang lakas, kuminsan nabablanka naman siya. Mahirap eh, kasi alam niya napakalakas ng blocking ng Adamson sa harap. Soriano, Paat, and also Pineda off the block, however.
Zangoli getting that point off the block. Nakita niya Paat, a very tall girl on the other side.
I think yung iniiwasan nila si Pao Soriano more than anything else. Actually, it's the uniform that makes everybody look good here. It's our official outfit here in the Shakey's V-League. Here's Pineda. Kompleto ang hair clip niya ngayon sa araw na ito, mga kaibigan.
Pinilang mo ba?
Yep, wali. Eh, dami niya sa atin. Pinahiram lang niya daw doon sa isa eh. Pati yun, pinakikialaman ko. Sasabihin na naman mga tao sa Kitan, pati yun, pinakikialaman ko. Lahat ho, pinakikialaman ko rito.
Kailangan lahat ng pansin mo.
Ano tayo, concern tayo sa mga issue na yan eh.
Well, etong San Sebastian.
Oh, rotation.
Oh, rotational error.
Rotation.
Again, si Adamson. Walang San Sebastian, you can see na parang hindi pa rin sila ganun ka-aggressive, no? Taking it slow.
Yep, I agree.
Easel start.
Ano yung rotation problem po? Yung rotation wala ho sa pwesto kasi kailangan lahat umiikot eh.
And plus, pag may switch, merong right time for the switch.
Yes.
Kailangan pag nakaangat na bola. So,
In
pag
the-
nag-switch ka na hindi pa, game.
In the simplest form, it's a counterclockwise move towards the setting area. And then some teams, they try to deviate
Yes,
a little
it's-
because to get a better position. Kuminsan, ginagawa na yung choreography, wala pa yung music.
Parang ganyan yan.
Wali, nicely done, but picked up as nicely. Regalo, hindi napalo. Bitin tayo, no? Pag hindi pinapalo yun yun.
Yun yung
Process.
pinakamasarap sa lahat na paluin. While Zangoli, yun din ang masarap para sa kanya. And she gets the point.
Chrysostom gave a very perfectly positioned set. Yung umuupo yung bola sa ere. Pag yung bola, it's an exaggeration, okay, fine. But at the same time, it looks that way when you're the spiker, actually. Makatuno. I like your point about the fact that she's been vital to the game of Adamson, although that point will go Basti's way. We have the first technical timeout. We're at 8. We have 2 technical timeouts in a set at 8 and 16. Magbabalik po ang V-League.